ko che wani so ade o ko so amesrew subscriber na mi adoma no so na kan ho mo se wa subscriber enti bi odi tu mu abo se aba na akobo na wahwe odi tu mu apa na akobo na wahwe so wa subscriber mi ama adoma na ye kan a ene wa ujejiriji.
This is real. Yo, train there, Kono. Nana Akufo-Addo. Nana Akufo-Addo. And Baumia. Babeng, no be.
Hello, my welcome back about Weekmix Media. Another update at the Apple so made the some this platform so and any update is all about a train me no Ghana and penny for echo cry at the free Poland at the BC Ghana so omodi be adwuma na omodi asom team member no enra ene nya ntie se train no baako akwakonya enkwanhia ewo tema to impakadan enso so railway line so a te se agent ha na manfo bebre den react about it na manfo bebre enso so drop different stories of the happen no na nim se nsem si a enyoma bi say there intwamuda den abenya nkofo a omo draw different stories about the whole incident na social media so there e be say oh train akwakonya accident dia ene obi na kwakotu boat bi na ama train nya accident ebi mu say train nya papa na Ghana de mpanifo no eka surusuro ena omo pay nda bia se ba ho kra bibia nti se e de ababesi Ghana hanum na ensa nya papa eno no ebi ni stories na manfo draw akire ena pictures ni videos eba amanya ntie se ente san ba bia na emum nipa dasani ene pake car e de see railway kwan no eso a ogya honum kodaye sign say railway kwan so no eye car road say railway kwan no enso so another road for cars na udwin bibini ho a onti bibini ase
mpie kura na bibini de dabi wa jimi me ka kire de am se jimi abrofo ni nyini o
se car na sese so a ye piansi nchen and I don't know say mpanifo no so no ewo omo handle railway sensem no omo anya omo checks wie ansa na omo de train kwa kwesi kwan so omo de ko test drive because before so be test drive no yeah now say ema nipa dasani bia was oh yeah ba be test drive oh yeah the car be yeah the train bow into bia anye careful what I say na draw attention bibi sanko so and also omo anya omo checks ye we don't really know they go down and you know train no eduru hono na chese wonu se train so de ni brake de this a bofri fa wabo brake na anye ye enene eye car we ebe so ebe crash ya enya asem ketua Hyundai truck enani pano eja hono with registration number GS 901820 enani pano eja railway line so across this particular damage sama me no kasa ide eye driver ni a uja eye car yi edisi railway kwan so no a police for enso ensa so nimu ama Ghana police for a statement about Bontene concerning this particular incident no na your video ha me do be go through surely yen really in sama Ghana police edebetu ja enso so concerning driver ni a odi sa ensemhuni we. Okay, so also a truck driver arrested for allegedly causing train accident on the Tema in Pakadan railway line. The Ghana Police Service has arrested the driver of a Hyundai truck with registration number GS 901820 for allegedly causing an accident involving a diesel multiple unit DMU train on the Tema in Pakadan railway line today, Thursday, on 18th April 2024. The police preliminary investigation has established that the suspect driver left the said vehicle unattended on the railway line, leading to a collision with the train. Police investigation into the incident continues. So, police focus so amoye nhwehwemu esembeto bia na manfo bebre so draw other stories say obekum na mpanifo bi nkofo ko bi na yeden ehye akire say MPP akra bibi say de ba be di dwuma bi say ene yenka yetirimbum na nyenye kululu na yen cause damage sa stories bi say and manfo so ade we see na omo puli apa enya asem keto a yen go through na yen call baby a asem di see no video kakra bi apim na yen kohwe embrace see
You be a talking. Hey, look at where the answer is. The battle. Second one. I take you finish. I take you finish. You can't go. Anything happen? What? You complain. They should do overhead over there. That's what I tell them. I tell them this because it's a fact. There's some foolish men over there saying that they said that and they come and pack. They know that it's but who knows? Who knows? No. The question is, will you buy your car with a lot of money and come and put it here? They're going to come and spoil it. And the person who told that name, they said, you know their mind. Oh, grandma. Oh, grandma.
But as a piece, I was stay true about do something so way into the piano to the Jonas cancer be beneath so any pow, be beneath and so a nipa and cacadia and each tree line and so a home bang, even though say me driver me problem with the driver say even though access railway line this way ye piercing chain ye pia edicing chain what I say in jacka on men could that's me jano oh Charlie Ghana me man Ghana internationally we any current update and so our better new one be up concerning this particular update Weekmix Media the babesum over the same platform. So thank you very much for staying true to this end. Bidi Andy once again Macau. Bye bye.
Hi everyone, I'm Kafui Apetu Sandra. Are you looking for entertainment or any trending news? Wait, let me recommend Weekmix Media. Go there, subscribe and like the channel. I know you're going to like it. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello everybody. Hi everyone. Good day. My name is Sally. I'm a presenter, a YouTuber and a content creator. Please do also subscribe to Weekmix Media on YouTube for all the latest updates of news, trending videos and everything. Also do also follow them across all their social media platforms. Thank you.
Hello, Odame Berima once again. Are you a fan of entertainment? Do you care to know about what is going on around the world? Then let Weekmix Media be your friend. Subscribe to the channel, hit on the notification bell, and please, when you like the videos, share it for me. Thank you.